My name is Ramona Schaefer. I'm a student of the St. James Preparatory School. And I have been using the walker for 3 years now.
How you find it getting inside the parliament, seeing that you assisted a walker?
Challenging. Feels challenging because I have to go up so much stairs.
Yeah. What do you like to see them doing?
Build a ramp so it will be easier for persons like me gain access.
Who you want to go see today?
The Prime Minister is here.
Why did you want to see the Prime Minister?
Because he's an idol. I want to discuss it, my challenges with him.
So if you have a message to send to the Prime Minister, what message would you send?
Make it build more ramps, make it easier for people like me to have less of a challenge doing activity.
Talk directly to the Prime Minister now.
Sir, Honourable Prime Minister, can you please build more ramps so persons like me can have less challenges going through our everyday lives?